Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make and can sauerkraut only way. Shred a medium head of cabbage and weigh it, then add 2% salt by weight and massage until it releases brine. Pack the cabbage tightly into a wide mouth jar, pressing down so brine covers the cabbage by at least 1 inch. Cover loosely, ferment at 65 to 72 F for 1 to 3 weeks, taste daily. Keep your ferment area tidy and away from direct sunlight to avoid temperature swings and off flavors. If white calm yeast appears, skim it. It is harmless but affects aroma. Use clean utensils to avoid introducing unwanted microbes and change airlock water if cloudy. Record dates and taste notes so you know when to stop fermentation for crisp versus softer kraut, then chill to slow fermentation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and supports more tutorials. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipe notes and fermentation guides while your kraut ferments, and it fits in the kitchen drawer neatly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. After fermenting to your liking, pack sauerkraut into hot jars, leaving 1/2 inch headspace, and wipe rims clean. Use new lids and finger-tight bands, then process in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes at sea level, adjusting time for elevation as needed. Remove jars and cool on a towel, then check seals after 12 to 24 hours and refrigerate any unsealed jars for immediate use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.